Good morning, students. Today we will solve some problems of inventory turnover ratio. See this first problem. From the following information related to a company, calculate inventory turnover ratio. Opening inventory rupees 20,000, closing inventory rupees 22,000, purchases rupees 80,000, wages rupees 9,000, carriage outward rupees 2,000, return outward rupees 1,000, revenue from operations rupees 80,000, carriage inward rupees 4,000 and rent rupees 5,000. Okay, so now let's solve this problem. So now let's start today's first problem. Problem first. In the problem, information is given, and from the given information we have to calculate inventory turnover ratio. So I will first write the formula of inventory turnover ratio. Inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operations divided by average inventory. Okay, so from the given information, first we have to calculate cost of revenue from operations, then we have to calculate average inventory, and then we will solve this ratio. Okay, so let's calculate cost of revenue from operations. See the given information. For calculating cost of revenue from operations, the formula is opening inventory, add purchases, add wages, add carriage inward, less closing inventory. Okay, so here I will write cost of revenue from operations is equal to opening inventory plus purchases plus wages plus carriage inward minus closing inventory म्हणजेच ओपनिंग स्टॉक प्लस पर्चेसेस प्लस वेजेस प्लस कॅरेज इनवर्ड minus closing inventory. Now while taking purchases we have to take net purchase, that is if there are returns then we have to deduct the returns from the purchases amount and then we will get net purchases amount. Okay, so here opening inventory is given 20,000 plus purchases. In this problem purchases 80,000 and return outward is given. Okay, so 1,000. So we have to deduct return outward from purchases to get the net purchases amount. 80,000 minus 1,000. So purchases amount in this formula will be 79,000. नेट पर्चेसेसची अमाऊंट घेण्यासाठी पर्चेसेसमधून रिटर्न्स लेस करायचे आहेत आणि मग नेट पर्चेसेसची अमाऊंट येईल. ओके, नाव वेजेस गिवन 9,000 प्लस कॅरेज इनवर्ड. See the amount of carriage inward is 4,000 and from this total we have to deduct closing inventory and the closing inventory amount is given 22,000. Okay, so 20,000 plus 79,000 plus 9,000 plus 4,000 minus 22,000. So let's calculate this. Total of all these items is 1,12,000 minus 22,000. So it will be 90,000. rupees 90,000. Okay, so cost of revenue from operations is 90,000. Now let's calculate average inventory, and we know the formula. Average inventory is equal to opening inventory plus closing inventory divided by 2. Opening inventory is 20,000 plus closing inventory given in the problem is 22,000 divided by 2. So it is 42,000 divided by 2. So the final answer, that is average inventory, will be 21,000. Okay. Now let's calculate the inventory turnover ratio. Therefore, inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operations, that is rupees 90,000, divided by average inventory, that is rupees 21,000. Okay, so we will cancel these three zeros. We can reduce this amount by dividing by 3. So it is 30 upon 7, and now you have to divide by 7 to 30. So times 4.29 times. Okay, in this problem, in the given information, carriage outward is given and rent is also given, but we have to ignore carriage outward and rent, because while calculating inventory turnover ratio, these items are not related to our formulas. Okay, so ignore them. काही वेळेला एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन तुम्हाला कन्फ्यूज करण्यासाठी प्रॉब्लेममध्ये दिलेलं असेल, त्यावेळेला ते इग्नोर करायला हवं प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करताना. डोंट यूज दॅट इन्फॉर्मेशन. ओके. नाउ टुडेज सेकंड प्रॉब्लेम. कॅल्क्युलेट इन्व्हेंटरी टर्नओव्हर रेशो and average age of inventory from the following. A detailed statement of profit and loss is given in this problem for the year ended 31st March 2018. Particulars, note number and amount rupees. First is revenue from operations 5 lakhs. Other incomes are not here. So second is expenses. A, purchase of stock in trade 2,50,000. B, changes in inventories of stock in trade negative 8,000. C, employee benefit expenses 90,000. D, other expenses 48,000. Total expenses are 3,80,000. For changes in inventories, employee benefit expenses and other expenses, some notes to accounts are given after this statement. From total revenue 5 lakhs, they have deducted total expenses 3,80,000. So profit before tax is 1,20,000. Now see the notes to accounts. As I told you, 3 notes are given here. Changes in inventories. Opening inventory 60,000 minus closing inventory 68,000. So answer is negative 8,000. In employee benefit expenses, there are 2 items, wages and salaries. And in other expenses, carriage inward, carriage outward and miscellaneous expenses, 3 items are involved. Okay, so these final amounts are included in that statement. So now let's solve this problem. Now problem second. Okay, in this problem, statement of profit and loss is given and some notes to accounts are given. We have to calculate inventory turnover ratio. So I will write the formula. Inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operations divided by average inventory. Okay, so now from the given information we have to calculate cost of revenue from operations first and then average inventory, and then we will calculate inventory turnover ratio. Okay, I will calculate cost of revenue from operations first. Therefore, cost of revenue from operations is equal to opening inventory plus purchases plus wages plus carriage inward minus closing inventory. Okay, here ओपनिंग इन्व्हेंटरी अँड क्लोजिंग इन्व्हेंटरी अमाऊंट्स आपल्याला आहेत माहिती, चेंजेस इन इन्व्हेंटरी या याच्यामध्ये आहेत, पण तिथे ओपनिंग इन्व्हेंटरी मायनस क्लोजिंग इन्व्हेंटरी करून 8,000 निगेटिव्ह हा डिफरन्स दिलेलाच आहे ओपनिंग इन्व्हेंटरी आणि क्लोजिंग इन्व्हेंटरीमधला. ओके, सो आपण डायरेक्टली पर्चेसेसमधून हा जो डिफरन्स पर्चेसेसमध्ये हा जो डिफरन्स आहे चेंजेस इन इन्व्हेंटरी दॅट वी कॅन ॲड इन पर्चेसेस बिकॉज by adding opening inventory and deducting closing inventory the effect will be same. Okay, so here purchases plus changes in inventories असं घेतलं त्याचा अर्थ तुम्हाला कळला. पर्चेसेसमध्ये आपण ओपनिंग इन्व्हेंटरी ॲड करतो आणि नंतर सगळ्या टोटलमधून क्लोजिंग इन्व्हेंटरी लेस करतो. म्हणजेच इथे ओपनिंग म्हणून क्लोजिंग इन्व्हेंटरी लेस करूनच दिलेली अमाऊंट डिरेक्टली पण आपण वापरू शकतो चेंजेस इन इन्व्हेंटरी म्हणून आणि ॲड करू शकतो, म्हणून तसं केलेलं आहे मी. ओके, प्लस वेजेस. सी हियर इन नोट नंबर 2 एम्प्लॉई बेनिफिट एक्सपेन्सेस आर गिवन, वी हॅव टू टेक द अमाऊंट ऑफ वेजेस ओनली. लक्षात येते. सो प्लस wages, you can say employee benefit expenses also, plus from the third note that is other expenses we have to take carriage inward. ओके, तुम्ही करून बघा. ओपनिंग इन्व्हेंटरी प्लस पर्चेसेस प्लस वेजेस प्लस कॅरेज इनवर्ड मायनस क्लोजिंग इन्व्हेंटरी असंही तुम्ही करून बघू शकता नोटबुकमध्ये. In this formula opening inventory will be added and closing inventory will be deducted. So I have taken changes in inventory directly in this formula. समजतंय. So is equal to purchases amount is given in the problem 2,50,000 plus changes in inventory is given negative 8,000, that is minus 8,000, plus wages given 58,000 plus carriage inward is 20,000. Okay, so it means 2,50,000 minus 8,000 plus 58 and 20, it will be 78,000. Understood? So 78,000 plus 2,50,000 minus 8,000. Okay, so it will be 3,20,000. 2,50,000 plus 70,000, it is 3,20,000 plus 8,000 and 8,000 I have cancelled. तोंडी टोटल ज्यांना करायची सवय असेल त्यांना हे करता येईल फास्ट. नाव वी विल कॅल्क्युलेट ॲव्हरेज इन्व्हेंटरी इज इक्वल टू ओपनिंग इन्व्हेंटरी प्लस क्लोजिंग इन्व्हेंटरी divided by 2 So ओपनिंग इन्व्हेंटरी क्लोजिंग इन्व्हेंटरी नोट नंबर 1 मध्ये दिल्यात बघा. 60,000 प्लस 68,000 divided by 2, so it is 1,28,000 divided by 2. Okay, and so it is the answer will be 64,000. It is correct. Okay. Now we will calculate inventory turnover ratio. Inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operations, that is 3,20,000, divided by average inventory, that is 64,000. First we will cancel these 3 zeros, okay, and divide by 64. So the answer is 5 times. Okay, and now in this problem we have to calculate average age of inventory also. So therefore average age of inventory is equal to, see the formula in your notebook, days in a year divided by inventory turnover ratio. Days in a year 365 divided by inventory turnover ratio 5 times. So average age of inventory is 73 days. Okay, it means the money blocked in inventory gets converted into revenue from operations in 73 days. This is the meaning of this transaction. याचा अर्थ इन्व्हेंटरीमध्ये स्टॉकमध्ये जो मनी ब्लॉक झालेला असतो तो रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्समध्ये 73 डेजमध्ये कन्वर्ट होतो. ओके, सो याचं मिनिंग, ॲव्हरेज एज ऑफ इन्व्हेंटरीचं मिनिंग हे आहे. ओके, नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम नाव. दिस इज the problem from sample paper of ISC. From the following, calculate inventory turnover ratio. Opening inventory rupees 28,000, closing inventory 52,000, revenue from operations 6 lakhs, and gross profit 25% on cost of revenue from operations. Okay, so from the given information we have to calculate inventory turnover ratio. Let's start. Now next problem, third problem. Here we have to calculate again inventory turnover ratio. So inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operation divided by average inventory. Now see the problem. Opening inventory, closing inventory, revenue from operations, that is sales, is given, and gross profit is 25% on cost of revenue from operations असं सांगितलेलं आहे. ओके, देअरफॉर आता कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स कॅल्क्युलेट करूया आपण. लेट्स सी. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू, साईन पण लिहू शकतो आपण वाक्य लिहिण्याच्या ऐवजी. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू 25% ऑन कॉस्ट. दिस इज द इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन. ओके, सो we will assume cost of goods is equal to 100. Okay, so gross profit will be 25% on cost, that is rupees 25, and therefore selling price will be cost plus gross profit, that is 125. हे कळलं तुम्हाला. कॉस्ट 100 अजूम केलेली आहे. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट इज 25% ऑफ 100, that is 25 rupees, and so selling price will be, after adding profit into cost, that is 125 rupees. Okay, now here अँड सेलिंग प्राईस मीन्स रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स. माहिती आहे ना तुम्हाला, रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स. सो देअरफोर इफ revenue from operations is 125 rupees, at that time cost is rupees 100. तुम्ही दोन हेडिंग्स पण करू शकता, रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स अँड कॉस्ट अशी. when 25 is the revenue from operations, cost is 100, then if revenue from operations is, it is given in the problem 6 lakhs, is rupees 6 lakhs, then what will be the cost? Then what will be the cost? इथे लिहिते मी, what will be the cost. हे कॅल्क्युलेशन आपल्याला करायचं आहे. फॉर 125 100, फॉर 6 lakhs क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, सो 6 lakhs divided by 125, 6 lakhs divided by 125 into 100. Okay, so here 25, I am dividing by 25. So 1,20,000 into 4, that is 4,80,000 rupees. This is the cost of revenue from operations. कळलंय सगळ्यांना. सो ह्या पर्सेंटेजवरून आपल्याला कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स काढता येतं. देअरफॉर कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम operations is equal to 4,80,000. Now we have to calculate average inventory. Therefore average inventory is equal to opening inventory plus closing inventory divided by 2. Opening inventory is given in the problem 28,000 plus closing inventory is given 52,000 divided by 2. So it is 80,000 divided by 2. Okay, so it is equal to 40,000. Okay, now let's calculate inventory turnover ratio. Inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operations. Here we have calculated cost of revenue from operations. So 4,80,000 divided by average inventory, that is rupees 40,000. We'll cancel these 4 zeros with these 4 zeros. Okay, so the answer is 12 times. Okay, 12 times. So in this way we have to calculate inventory turnover ratio in this problem, and from the given gross profit percentage we have to first calculate cost of revenue from operations from the revenue from operations amount. Solve these problems properly in your notebook.